If you want to sum a column of numbers, tap the cell where you want the total, tap the pencil, type equals sum, open parentheses, the range of cells to add, in this case, A3 colon A7, close parentheses, tap the green check mark.
So tap on the cell for the formula, then tap on the pencil to edit the cell, tap on equals, then type in the formula SUM, open parentheses, the range A5 colon A7, close parentheses, then tap the green check mark to sum the column. Or after tapping the pencil, you can tap the F of X button, search for your function, tap the function, then finish the formula A5 colon A7 and tap the green check mark to average the range of cells. If you want to add numbers in Google Sheets Mobile, open the app, fill in the numbers you want to add, tap on the F of X button, scroll down to Math, then Sum. Here you will see equals sum, open close parentheses. Tap on the first number of cell you want to add. Then with your finger, tap and slide the circle on the lower right down the column to the last number in your range, and then tap the green check mark. To freeze columns in Google Sheets, tap the column number, then tap again to bring up the menu. Tap the right arrow, tap Freeze Columns. To unfreeze columns in Google Sheets, tap the column again, tap the right arrow, tap Unfreeze Columns. To freeze rows in Google Sheets, tap on the row number, then tap again to bring up the menu. Tap the right arrow, tap Freeze Rows. To unfreeze rows in Google Sheets, tap the row number again, tap the right arrow, tap Unfreeze Rows. To hide a row in Google Sheets Mobile, tap the row number, use the right arrow, tap Hide Row. To unhide a row, tap the row above or below, use the right arrow, tap Unhide Row. Or, tap the two arrows on either side of the hidden row. How do I hide multiple rows in Google Sheets Mobile? To hide rows, tap a row number, use the blue circle to add other rows, tap the selection, use the right arrow, tap Hide 3 rows. To unhide rows, tap the row number above or below, tap the selection, use the right arrow, tap Unhide Rows, or tap the two arrows on either side of the hidden rows. To highlight a cell in Google Sheets, tap on the cell, tap the paint can button, tap on a color and select a shade, tap the worksheet to exit. To hide a column in Google Sheets Mobile, tap the column number, use the right arrow, tap Hide Column. To unhide a column, tap the column to the right or left, use the right arrow, tap Unhide Column, or tap the two arrows on either side of the hidden column. How do I hide multiple columns in Google Sheets Mobile? To hide columns, tap a column number. Use the blue circle to add other columns. Tap the selection, use the right arrow, tap Hide 3 columns. To unhide columns, tap the column number right or left. Tap the selection, use the right arrow, tap Unhide Columns, or tap the two arrows on either side of the hidden columns.